Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video I want to show you a quicker and cost-effective method to make coconut milk at home. From just one coconut you get this much coconut milk and it saves you time and money. So just crack your coconut as you normally would, like you see on the video. I just cracked mine, and then now remove that edible part and cut it into smaller pieces. And I just cut mine into very small pieces, these sizes, because my blender is very weak. And then add enough water to cover the coconut, and then now you're going to start blending. Blend as you add water, depending on the size of the coconut and also depending on the power and the strength of your blender. And after blending for like 5 minutes, this is how it was. You can see it looks nice, whitish. And then now you're just going ahead to strain out just to get the milk. Using a sieve, just pour the mixture onto the sieve, and then now let it drain off to get the milk onto the bowl. Yeah, and you can repeat the process. Do not discard this right away. Put them back to the blender, add more water and blend it even again as many times as you like. You are going to get a lot of coconut milk, but it will be lighter. And after that, now pour that milk to an airtight container, and you can leave it in the fridge for up to 3 days, 3 to 4 days, and you can use it in your meals. You can make chapatis. And thank you so much for watching this video.